In this video, we are going to see how we can disable the in-private browsing in Microsoft Edge, and that is very simple to do. All we have to do is just go to the start menu and right here, Reg Edit. Right click on it. If you're able to right click and run as administrator, you can do that, or otherwise you get the option on the right hand side. Click on this and click yes. And basically it will open up like that. We just drill down to close some of the folders. And then before making any changes, guys, I always recommend you to take the backup of it. Click on the file, click on export, and basically you just write the file name before making any change. You can write about that change so that you can easily remember that. You can type a date with it, and the extension type is .reg. After that, whenever you want to import, let's say if anything goes wrong, you click on the file, you import that from there, and it will completely restore that as original point. So basically we click on H key current user and click on and drill down the software, and we search for the policies. It's very simple to find. You click on any folder basically and type P on your keyboard, and it will take you directly to the P category where we see this policies folder. Double click on that, double click on the Microsoft folder, and we basically need to locate the Microsoft Edge folder. If you don't see it here, we can create it simply by right clicking on the Microsoft folder, click on new and select key, and we call this key Microsoft Edge. Hit enter, go in this, and basically it should not have any space. So let me just rename this, remove the space, and it should be capitalize each word like this, exactly in the same way. And then we right click again on this, and we again click on new if you don't see the main folder, and we write here main, hit enter. And when you double click on it, you will see this default screen. We just right click on the blank area where you will get a couple of options, and here we will select dword 32-bit value. And here you need to write it exactly how I am writing. A capital, allow, no space, write in, no space again, and write private. Just make sure the spellings are correct. You start each word with a capital letter, and there should be no space in between. Hit enter. And now we want to disable this. So just double click on it, and it should be set to 0. 0 is for disabling and 1 is to enable that. So 0 is fine, click OK. And whenever you face any problem due to that, you can always right click and remove that, or you can change it to 1 if you want to allow that. And after that, you just close this registry editor, and you might need to restart your PC once in order to make that effective, and then just execute the browser, and that should work for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.